Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and I have another bag to show you. I have already unboxed it. I've taken out of the box, but that's all I've done. I've not unpackaged it or anything like that. So I guess you'd call this a reveal more so than an unboxing. Before I get to that, I did want to say at the end of this video, I'm going to put some pictures in. They were pictures that I meant to put in with my vlog video, but forgot. And I shouldn't say I, because I don't do any of the editing. My son does. But I forgot to have him put them in there. So at the end of this video, there will be some pictures in the, of Tennessee. So, okay, and the rocks I was talking about, we got the rocks for souvenirs. I put some pictures of some of the new ones there. Okay, so I got a bag. It is a bag that, I have one SLG from this brand that I bought not too long ago, used, and I stressed it up. And years ago I bought a bag from this brand that I still have, and it's actually for sale on Poshmark. But Mini Minx for All did a video about this brand, and it got me looking at it, and then I found a bag, and I swear to God, I'm going to blame this on my YouTube friends, so it's not my fault. Ever since they got me that birthday gift, I can't stop thinking about this color now. I get addicted to like bag colors. So the newest bag that I have, I'm going down here and get it, is from Dooney and Burke. And comes extremely well packaged. But this blue, like it matches, I'll show you, it matches my Kelvy kind of. And it just got me with the silver hardware, and it was on sale. They have another green one that I really want to get, and a fuchsia pink one.
So all you need to see is the word sale.
Right, and I might get those if they have a good enough sale. So it's got a little crease right here. I don't really care. It says Dooney and Burke on the front there. Has a slip pocket here that you maybe could slide a phone in. I mean, my hand fits in there. But, so yeah, I think you could probably fit a phone, depending on the size of your phone, in the front or back slip pockets. This leather's really nice, and it smells really good. Really like the silver hardware. Put silver hardware with a bright colored bag, and I'm in love. So, trying to open this here so you can see if there's contrast stitching.
Get aboard the struggle bus.
And there we go.
Oh wow! Look at you.
So
it's still not off though, folks.
Yeah, they have a really bright green one that's been calling to me, but now I want to wait for a sale. And they have a really bright fuchsia one, which we know I love fuchsia colored bags. So I've been looking at those too. I do not know what the name of this bag is. Did it say on the sheet? Marine satchel with pocket. Yeah, some kind of satchel. That I know. Now it has this.
Satchel page?
No. It's got a nice big zip thing on here. All right, I'm not going to keep opening this all up because
we wanted to...
the one thing that I might do is it comes with these big old tassels, and I don't like tassels.
Can you spin them?
Probably could. Yeah, it looks like this would come. Well, no. You'd be able to get them undone, but I don't know how you'd get them through here. Well, maybe I will. I'd have to cut the leather. But I might do that because I just don't like tassels. Should I keep the tassels? Tell me. And then it's not bad enough. 2 on one side, there's 2 on the other. Like I said, it's threaded through here, so I could clip these and then get the tassels out. Because even if I untied it, I don't think they would squeeze through the things. So I might get rid of the tassels. Because I just don't like tassels. Maybe they'll grow on me. But I just think this bag is so pretty.
Growing on the bag.
So let's just show it here. Here's the front, the side, the back, the side. The bottom has 4 feet. And then it's a zipper top.
So it's a quadruped.
I like the size of the bag a lot. Okay, I don't know why this is bothering me that this is still on here. But unfortunately for everybody, it is.
The struggle is real.
And, here we go. Okay. So, yeah.
Don't forget there's plastic over on this tassel yet.
No, I like that because, now I'm into, like, bag charms and stuff more. Oh, wait, what does this say? Does this say what it's called? Dooney and Burke satchel with pocket in the color marine. So,
hence the marine satchel.
Nice zipper. Why do they do this? Here's their version of a dust bag. It's pretty chintzy, kind of like the reels. But at least they give you one. I guess that's a plus. There is a strap that comes with this. And it is obviously removable. And adjustable.
Way to go out on a limb.
I just love that this is silver hardware. And then, apparently, if you want to put your keys on here or something, that's unique.
I thought that was the child strap.
No. And then, this is always fun, but we all know this, right? The interior is a big bright red. And then it's got a zipper pocket. It's got a little tiny pocket and then a zipper pocket on one side and then a big pocket on, so there's a big pocket down here and then a zipper pocket and another pocket in here. Can you show that? Is it coming up at all?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. So, yeah, I'm so far extremely impressed. Other than wanting to take the tassels off. Okay, let's put the thing back in here. That's kind of handy, though, for your keys or whatever. So, I really like it, but I think it needs the tassels to come off. And since I'm going to keep it, I have no problem cutting them off. I'll just have to see. I might use it for a little while and see if they grow on me. The one thing it covers is there's some stitching here where it stitches that together, and this nicely covers it. No wonder they decided to put it on both sides.
Yeah, because the stitching doesn't match the other stitching. It's
No,
different color.
Not at all. Yep, it's probably more like a reinforced.
Yeah.
So you probably want to put something on there otherwise to cover that, because that would look kind of tacky.
Might have to keep your tassels.
But I might, or maybe I'll put something else on them. We'll see. We'll see how they go. But overall, I really like this. Like I said, I haven't had a Dooney and Burke bag in forever, and the only one I have is for sale on Poshmark. And like Minnie Minx for All did a video and showed two of them she got for sale. She kept going on and on about the leather, so I just like the style bag she showed. So I went on the site and I saw, my colors. There's the royal colors. There's, like I said, really bright fuchsia, beautiful Kelly green. This blue, and the blue was on sale. So that was all she wrote. This bag was actually on the I Love Dooney site and the Dooney and Burke site. One has, if I'm remembering this correctly, one has free shipping and one doesn't. And then on Rakuten, one gets more points back than the other. And I believe it's the one that gets the more points back is the site that doesn't have free shipping. But you could look around for these and I'm sure find more that are on sale. I absolutely love this. I have to use it yet, but I don't foresee any issues with it. The opening looks plenty big. I love that there's a zipper, but you wouldn't have to zip it. I love that you can tuck in the zipper. I always like that. The one thing you could say is the stitching does match the zipper. If that's a plus. Because the zipper is actually brown and with gold, which that's a little funny too. Like, why would you go with silver hardware and then a gold zipper? I guess that's what you get when you don't buy luxury. Well, this is contemporary. This is gorgeous. I'm not going to lie. I don't care. The zipper is gold. This is gold. I love mixed metals. So actually that's kind of a plus now that I think about it. Although oh no, I guess it is that way. Okay, yeah. So I don't know. I really like it. I had said that I had bought a bag that would go with the chain I just bought, or could go with it. Here's this chain I just got from Marc Jacobs. Now, you could carry this either way, so if you don't like branding, you just carry it that way. Let's put this chain on it, shall we? There's so many spots. I could use the side over here. I could use that little side, but I could do this just to give it a little, I guess, edgier look. You could, I could even put it over on the opposite side rings. Okay, really, Jamie? Oh yeah. I was going to say, oh, now it's stuck. Leave it to me to do, there we go. If I put it on here, let's see how that would look. Let's experiment. Shall we? You don't have a choice. You could always click off. Yeah, like that. So there's some fun things you could do with this.
I'm gonna weigh in. We normally don't have to hear from the cameraman, but I'm just not a fan of the bag. Sorry.
You don't like the bag?
I don't.
Why?
I don't know.
I love the bag.
That's probably best that you bought it then.
Yeah, I love it. What other bags of mine do you not like?
I weigh in if I don't like them.
You do not, because this is the first time you've ever said you didn't like a bag.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah, I don't know.
I love the bag. I love the big old circles.
I'm happy for you.
What don't you like about the bag?
I just don't like it.
Is there any other bag you don't like?
No,
You like every other bag I own.
I'm not looking at every other bag. It's just, this one just doesn't do it for me. They're not my bags, so.
That's true. What about this bag?
I like the black one.
The black one smells good.
That's me.
It's the one I made. It's awesome.
No, I don't know. I'm just not a fan.
Here I'm going to buy the pink and I'm going to buy the green.
Well, that's not going to stop you, so
well,
let's be real.
Isn't, but still.
Let's be real.
It's like every time you're looking at it, though, I'm going to be thinking, oh, now he thinks I'm carrying the ugly bag.
Didn't say it was ugly, just said I'm not a fan of it.
Okay, I like that better. It's not ugly, you're just not a fan of it. I'll take that. Is that what you think like of me?
Stop.
You're not ugly.
Oh
my gosh. No. Okay, so I like it. I really do.
All that matters.
I know is it DD Bean has a lot of these and Says What, and they really swear by them, and I do not see this being my last one.
Oh boy.
Because I just think it looks cool. You're looking in the mirror. Yeah, it just looks cool. With the silver hardware and the big circles. Okay, I love it. But, okay, what do you guys think?
Yeah,
are you on Team
we'd
Cameraman?
like to know.
Or you're on Team Me, and you will not hurt my feelings in the least if you don't like the bag. Please know that. One of my favorite things, and I've said this probably a million times, about people is that we don't like the same things. I love that we don't like the same things because it would suck. And what I really, really love is when I don't like something and then somebody sways my opinion by making good arguments, things like that. I think that's cool too, and maybe they never will. And that's good too, because it would suck if we all liked the same bags. You'd never get nothing because everything would always be sold out. So you will not hurt my feelings at all. Let me know, do you like this bag or do you not like this bag? So are you Team Cameraman or Team Me?
Not Edward or Jacob.
No, it's not an Edward or Jacob thing.
Okay.
And I'm interested to hear what you think. Although I don't really ask that on most bags, but I will on this one. What do you think? I really like it. And I was gonna show. This is what got me into this blue.
My Calvin.
Again, Look at that. So pretty. I bought that swan bag up there. And then I bought now this one because this card holder is gorgeous. So I just can't stop thinking about it. And then, see, look at, it's like a thing I have going. I need to buy the pink one and the green one.
Yeah, we already know that.
Because I have the pink and the green Kelvies. So I have to buy the bags that match the Kelvies. Just because I have other bags that are that color, we're not looking at that right now. We're looking at this. Look at, I could put one of these on here too. Be like so cute. They look a little fun. All right, that's that. This is what I have for you today. Again, remember, stick around at the end if you're interested whatsoever. I put some more Tennessee pictures on there, including some of the rocks that I got, but also some pretty pictures as well. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. If you could leave a comment, I also really appreciate that.
Team cameraman.
What?
I said team cameraman.
I love everybody. I love that somebody would take the time to comment on one of my videos. So if somebody would do that, I'm going to answer the comment because it just means so much to me that you would take time out to do that. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays regarding usually contemporary or luxury related handbags or small leather goods primarily. I do a book-related video every other Thursday. So this coming Thursday, there will be a book-related video. I do book haul and tell you what I've been reading, what I want to read, things like that. On Mondays or Tuesdays of every week, I do a bag swap where I switch into one bag from another bag, and I give you a little bit of information on both and on the SLGs that I'm using or going to use. I'm over on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And now, so after I say this, you can watch the pictures if you want. But until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Don't forget to vote. And bye.